Here I have some jewelry from Mint and Lily, and I thought we could open it together. So they've sent me a few different pieces from their current lines. It comes in a beautiful little satin box. Here's the first piece. Beautiful bracelet. It's like an aqua with stars and gold. It's really lovely. It's more delicate and small than I expected, but I really love that. I don't like chunky jewelry. I like delicate jewelry, and this is just beautiful.
So the aqua and the stars reminded me of Our Lady of Guadalupe, which I really love. These shipped really fast, and Mint and Lily does have free shipping if your order's over $65, which I think is a great deal. The bracelet is honestly so pretty and such good quality. I love how the aqua could go well on its own or as a stack in the pool or a resort look.
Next, we have, this is a matching set. So it comes with, let's see which piece this is. I love how all of them come with a little cleaning cloth so you can keep your jewelry nice and shiny. This is a beautiful turquoise and blue bracelet with beads.
Just want to show you guys the color of these turquoises close up.
And these are all plated gold. They're plated. You can choose your different options. I think I went for gold plated on sterling silver, which I actually like because then you have the sterling underneath. But you can also choose just regular silver. They have all different colors for these. This is a little heart bracelet. This would make a great Valentine's gift or anniversary present. I will show you these close up.
This one I'm going to be wearing as a Valentine's bracelet through February. This would also be great for a galentine if you want to gift it to one of your girlfriends. Such a classic piece. I love that for all of these pieces, you could either dress them up or down.
Aha. This is the other half of the beaded set. So we have the necklace, turquoise, white, aqua beads.
So like I said, this set you could wear just on its own together. You could dress this up or down. I would love this for a beach, resort, or by the pool. I also think it would stack great with the turquoise star bracelet, and I will show you that all together soon. High quality, good value.
Let's try them on. So the necklace is adjustable. It has a chain here, so you can adjust it to your preferred length. Like that. This is the matching bracelet, and you could actually wear all three of these bracelets as a stack.
So this is what I would call semi-fine jewelry. It's at a mid-level price point. It's high quality. It's not going to break the bank, but it is going to be beautiful and not turn your skin green. And I have been testing this jewelry out for the past few weeks and love it. The shades of the teal and the aqua match really well together, and I love that they are plated with fine metals. So you know it's a really good quality piece, but the price point is also really affordable. Now I'm sure it's not recommended, but I have worn these while doing dishes or taking a shower, and the gold plating has stayed on so well. I've not had any issues. The pieces are really well made.
I want to show you how the clasp works on this one. So this is the turquoise and the stars piece. And it has two different sides. One of them has a hinge and one of them has the opening. So I think this is the side with the opening. And you just, do you see how it has a little button there? And then in the back, there's a little spot for it to go in. Here's the hinge. So you can easily open and close this, and then you just push on this side a little bit if you want it to close and attach onto your wrist. If you have a smaller hand, you may be able to just slip it on like this, or you can just gently press and it unhooks. So for these turquoise pieces, the way that they open and close is with this regular kind of latch, and it does have this adjuster so you can make it different sized. To put it on, you would just squeeze this part of the latch and then attach it to whichever one of these hooks you prefer. If you want it on a small one, if you want it on a large one, and then you have it closed. For the heart bracelet, I'm going to show you the clasp. It has one of these regular jewelry clasps attached to it, and you would just slide this down to open that up, and then it does have an adjuster so you can adjust it depending on the size of your wrist. I like to put it on the smallest setting, and then if you don't want all this extra to dangle down, you can just loop it and attach it again, like so. And then you have a little loop there so it doesn't dangle down when it's on your wrist. Thank you to Mint and Lily for sending these beautiful pieces. I can't wait to wear them.